화랑의 큐레이터를 하며 백수 남편을 뒷바라지하는 착한 여자 그레이스. 퇴근하는 길, 오늘도 반겨주는 사람 하나 없는데
Hey, Matt. Casey.
오늘도 역시나 술에 쩔어 있는 남편 매트.
Mummy, we're making cocktails.
First of the day?
You know we never drink before mommy comes home.
할 말이 있던 그녀는 아이를 보내고 오늘은 남편의 회사 면접이 있는 날이었습니다.
Did you go?
I blew it off. They wouldn't meet my salary requirement.
So what, we'd take a little less? I mean, work begets work, honey.
It devalues me, Grace.
아직도 남편은 정신 차리지 못하고 있었죠.
Matt, are you ready?
오늘은 친구와 모임이 있는 날이지만 또 술에 쩔어 있는 맷.
I'll leave early. I hired a babysitter.
I canceled her.
For God's sake, why do you do this?
자격지심에 빠져있는 남편이 답답하기만 한데 할 수 없이 혼자 모임에 가게 됩니다.
Good, how are you?
Where's the big guy?
He couldn't be with people. For now. Oh,
친구에게 상담을 하죠.
looks to me, the way he looks at me. I mean, I don't even feel like a woman anymore, you know?
How long's this been going on? My God.
The jobs got harder. I don't know what it was.
그녀를 위로하려 선물을 준비했던 친구들.
The anniversary's coming up.
Yeah.
Tell her.
So we're giving you a present. 2 tickets to sexy Miami Beach, unbelievably wonderful spa, and you'll get fabulous massages, and you guys will get fabulously romantic again.
We won this vacation at a charity auction, so if we don't use it, we lose it.
하지만
We haven't been away for years.
Did you tell him about the pension? You know how much Jack...
남편의 되지도 않는 패배감 때문에 결국 또다시 부부싸움을 해버리게 됩니다. 남편과 화해하려 하지만 점점 더 관계는 멀어져만 가는데 다음 날 다시 친구를 만났던 그레이스.
He doesn't want to go. Fine. You go.
Can't go without Matt.
You gotta pamper yourself for a change. I'm your friend and I'm making sense. The time apart might actually do both of you a lot of good. You gotta do something to shake things up.
친구의 말대로 마이애미로 혼자 여행을 가게 된 여자. 생각과는 다른 멋진 호텔에 도착하게 되었죠.
It's a great pleasure to have you here with us.
Thank you.
Please don't hesitate to call upon us for any wish whatsoever.
호텔로 올라가는 그때 독서를 하던 남자와 눈이 마주치게 되고
Now I'll show you to the west.
우연일까요? 저녁 식사 자리에서도 매너 있게 인사하는 그 남자를 보게 되는데 오랜만에 받아보는 남자의 미소에 조금은 설레었던 여자. 그렇게 마사지샵과 해변을 다니며 하루하루 행복이라는 글자를 다시 찾게 되고 그동안 쌓여왔던 답답함들이 한 번에 날아가는 듯 기분이 좋았습니다. 그럴 때 또다시 스쳐 지나갔던 두 사람, 그 남자가 말을 걸어오죠.
Hi.
Hi.
Dante's Inferno.
I remember.
Julian, thanks.
Grace Needham.
Nice meeting you.
You too.
I couldn't help but notice that you're alone and I'm alone, and since we're both alone, I thought, you know, maybe we would have dinner.
Now I'm married.
I'm married too. It was a dinner invitation, not a wedding proposal. I don't drool half as much as I used to. Come on. Look at this day. Look at this place. You can't say no.
위트 있게 저녁을 초대했던 남자.
Was that a yes?
Yes.
그렇게 들뜬 맘에 외출을 준비하지만 이내 현실을 직시하게 됩니다. 약속을 거절하러 그를 찾아가죠.
I've been calling your room. Are you okay?
Actually, no.
Are you ill?
I'm a little bit. Yeah, probably the sun. So would you mind if I took a rain check?
그렇게 거절하고 돌아가려 할 때 칵테일을 권하는 줄리안.
Why don't we just, go out for a drink and then see how you feel? Come on, it's a beautiful night.
I'm sorry.
Come on. Come on.
생각과는 달리 서로 힘들었던 이야기들을 하며 친구처럼 대화했던 두 사람. 그렇게 그들은 점점 더 친해져만 갑니다.
And then with Marlene, there's the shelf life, you know?
Come here.
What?
Got a little, lipstick smudge on your mouth. All gone.
Thanks for taking me out.
아무 일 없이 방으로 올라가죠.
That's very funny.
헤어질 때쯤 애프터를 신청하는 줄리안.
You know, I rented a sailboat for tomorrow. Would you like to come?
Yeah.
좋은 친구를 만나 정말 오늘 하루는 행복했던 여자. 다음날 무인도로 함께 놀러 갔던 그들. 이런저런 이야기를 하며 더욱더 가까워졌던 그때 갑자기 고백을 해버리죠.
If you were mine, we're shipwrecked. Just like a dream.
그렇게 다가와 키스를 해버리고 분위기에 취해버렸던 그녀는 결국 선을 넘어버리게 됩니다. 하지만 호텔로 돌아온 그녀는 한 번의 일탈로 지워버리려 했었죠.
You love your husband, don't you?
Very much.
He's very lucky.
죄책감을 안고 며칠 후 집으로 돌아왔던 그레이스. 집에 들어선 그녀는 생각지도 못한 작은 파티가 열려 있는데
Oh my God, look at all this.
I was an asshole, and I'm sorry. And I would like to, with my dancing crowd,
Yeah. What are we celebrating?
my new job. It happened yesterday, but I wanted to tell you in the flesh.
혼자 여행을 다녀온 사이 생각지도 못한 일들로 정말 믿겨지지가 않았습니다.
Mineral water.
You deserve better than an angry drunk. I made a promise to myself, and now I'm making it to you.
매트의 취직을 축하하려 친구와 어떤 카페에 들렀던 그들. 하지만 생각지도 못했던 사람이 눈앞에 들어오는데 그는 바로 줄리안이었습니다.
Look who's hey!
Hey, Julian!
Hey, small world.
Can't we keep one good restaurant a secret from you?
3 olives, Christine? Of course that would be.
친구와 이미 알고 지냈던 남자.
Good to see you. Julian, I'd love you to meet my wife, Grace. This is my new boss, Julian Banks.
불장난을 했던 남자가 남편 회사의 보스라는 사실에 한동안 멍하기만 했었죠.
It's lovely meeting you.
Nice to meet you.
도대체 어떻게 된 걸까요?
What's going on here?
I don't think this is the time, and it's certainly not the place. Don't ruin this for yourself or for Matt, okay? I've got a meeting tomorrow at Rutter's at 6. We'll talk then. Stop by around 5. I'll be on the patio.
다음 날 아무것도 모른 채 취직됐다는 사실에 우쭐대기만 했던 남편. 어쩔 수 없이 또다시 줄리안을 만나러 가야 했었죠.
I am so sorry I'm late. Traffic was unbearable.
What planet do you live on?
Excuse me?
You hired my husband.
Yes.
He's my husband.
That's why I hired him.
That's perverse.
We meet. You tell me your marriage is in trouble. Your husband can't get a job.
I
I
was
try to
told-
help, and suddenly I'm perverse? I guess no good deed goes unpunished. Tell you what, first thing tomorrow morning, I'll have him fired. That'll perk up your evening.
Wait. I'm sorry. It's me.
해고한다는 말에 도리어 사과하는 여자.
If we hadn't slept together, I'd be thankful. Please don't fire him.
Start over, Grace. Okay?
What?
Yeah. I'd love that. Whatever you're comfortable with, Grace, okay?
All right. Thank you. I have to go.
사실 그는 원하는 건 모두 가져야 했던 사이코패스였는데 그레이스는 그에게서 벗어날 수 있을까요?
What?
I don't know how to say this.
What?
친구와 상담하는 그레이스.
Who's the bastard sleeping with?
No, he's not the bastard.
Oops.
There was this guy in Miami. It wasn't even like something real. It was like a dream. I mean, it's over. I mean, it barely even started. But I feel I need to tell Matt.
Oh, no. Don't be crazy.
It's this weird situation. Like, we have secrets. We never used to have secrets. And now it's like,
Well, you know, in a similar situation, a guy's reaction would be 2 words. Say nothing. Why hurt Matt? Do something nice for him. Go down to his office and take him to lunch.
어떻게 회사를 그만두게 할까 고민하던 그때 남편은 철없는 짓을 해버리는데 값비싼 그림을 사버린 것이었죠.
where do we get that money?
You know everyone wants to give you credit when you're employed.
남편의 그런 행동에 점점 더 고민은 깊어져만 갑니다.
The money would come through.
시간이 지날수록 일조차 손에 잡히지 않게 되고 퇴근하고 집으로 돌아오는 길 집에서까지 모른 척 그녀를 기다리죠.
Hi, baby.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hi, Mommy.
그렇게 함께하게 된 끔찍한 저녁 시간.
Good night. Thank you for dinner.
줄리안의 집착은 그녀의 목을 순간순간 계속해서 조여만 오고 어느 날 남편은 자신의 실력인 마냥 승진이 되었다며 자랑하고
Mr. Senior VP. Mr. Huge Promotion Guy.
Well, that was awfully quick. Weird.
It was quick.
줄리안에게 이용당하는 줄도 몰랐던 어리석은 남자. 모든 일들을 바로잡고자 그날 밤 매트에게 고백하기로 하는데
You have to quit.
What?
We'll move. We'll start over. I'll get a job as a secretary. I'll work in a department store. I'll do whatever you want. I'll go wherever you want. Quit, Matt.
Did Julian make a pass at you?
The man is evil.
He's evil. Julian is evil.
Yes, but
Honey,
he
where's
is.
this
He's an
coming
evil
from?
man.
You barely know this guy.
I know him better than I should. I met him in Miami. I was vulnerable. I slept with once only. It didn't mean anything to me, I swear. I'm sorry. The truth, and he hired you because he wanted to. He hired you because he wanted to get a hold of me.
정말 어이없던 그는 꺼내지 말아야 할 말까지 해버리고
Gave you some kind of perverse satisfaction dependent and drinking. And you were the good one.
What are you talking about? That's not true.
Who else knows, huh?
Nobody.
Who else knows how I got my job?
Nobody.
한동안 상처 주는 말들을 던져버렸던 남자.
I don't know who you are anymore.
줄리안의 의도대로 그들은 끝나버리게 되는 걸까요?
Actually, I'm relieved you know. There's no easy way to discuss this.
그녀와의 관계는 우연일 뿐 그레이스는 자신의 쾌락을 위해 그랬던 거라 말해버리고
It's Grace who patronizes you. I may have hired you for the wrong reason, but you've more than made up for it. I consider you a friend, Matt. I'll do whatever it takes to maintain that friendship. Now, I've got a deal brewing down in Costa Rica. Go there. Take some time. Get your head straight.
좋은 직장을 잃기 싫었던 욕심에 줄리안의 가스라이팅에 당해버렸던 맷.
It's Julian who's lying, and you know that, and you know it.
Why would he lie about how many times he screwed you, huh? What does he have to gain?
아내의 말은 무시한 채 휴가를 떠나버렸던 남자.
Strip malls in National Park.
Where's my husband? Where did you send him?
Do I think he's handled this properly? No. In fact, I think he's a coward for running away. But not all men are up to the demands of loving. I'd kill for love, Grace.
며칠 지난 어느 날 결국 별거에 들어갔던 두 사람. 그렇게 아이를 사이에 두고 서로 마음을 정리하려 하지만 그것조차 마음에 들지 않았던 줄리아는 결국 해서는 안 될지까지 계획하게 되는데 며칠 후 누군가를 불러 지시하는 남자. 저녁 모임 때문에 돌보미에게 아이를 맡기고 외출하는 그레이스.
Finished all your dinner. That's so good.
돌보미와 친구는 아이에게 미약을 먹여버리고 전화선까지 끊어버린 채 사라지게 됩니다. 하지만 케이시가 통화되지 않아 아내의 집으로 달려갔던 맷.
Honey?
다행히 병원 치료를 받으며 무사하게 된 그들의 딸. 그녀는 줄리안의 지시라 직감하게 되는데
Hello. Dr. Fulton, this is Grace Needham, Casey's mom.
Oh, Mrs. Needham. I'm sorry I didn't get back to you sooner. We didn't get a bead on the drug until just now. It's a product called Noctil. It's a sleeping pill, very potent.
의사와의 통화로 줄리안이 모두 계획했음을 확인했던 그녀는 곧바로 그를 찾아가고
Chris, what's wrong?
한편 남편에게 이실직고하는 크리스틴.
What is it?
그렇게 맷을 찾아가 모든 게 계획된 일임을 말하는데
We were at the club and he saw us together. And then he asked about her. I guess I was trying to sound important. So I told him.
줄리안의 변호 업무를 보았던 크리스틴 부부. 그에게 잘 보이려 그레이스의 신상을 말해버렸고 마이애미 여행까지도 줄리안이 준비했던 것임을 알게 됩니다.
So we're getting you a present. 2 tickets to sexy Miami Beach.
We won this vacation at a charity auction.
그제서야 일련의 사건들이 이해가 되었던 남자. 모든 일들을 줄리안이 계획했다는 걸 알게 됩니다.
I never, I swear, ever thought he'd go looking for her.
줄리안을 유혹해 증거를 찾으려 하죠.
To what do I owe this pleasure?
I couldn't be alone tonight. Can't believe he would do such a thing. He's such an angel.
아내에게 찾아갔던 맷, 줄리안에게 찾아간 걸 알게 되고
Shit.
Where's the bathroom?
Yeah, straight through there.
Just be a second.
Okay.
화장실에 있는 척 숨겨둔 약물을 찾기 시작하죠.
Stealing company secrets?
기지를 발휘해 도망치지만 이내 잡혀버리고
Just like my fucking wife! And unnecessary!
죽을 위기에 처한 그녀를 구하러 온 맷. 그렇게 증거를 가지고 떠나는 두 사람. 하지만 이내 그들을 쫓아오는 줄리안.
I take things from them.
Oh my god, he's right behind us. Go faster, go faster. Stop! Oh my god. The cliffs, the lookout.
All right, hold on.
The
Hold on.
dead end. You ready?
Yep.
그들이 죽은 줄로 착각한 남자. 그때 그를 공격하는 맷. 결국 줄리아는 최후를 맞이하고 그레이스는 다시 가족을 되찾게 됩니다. 나타샤 킨스키가 열연냈던 불륜 스릴러 세인 나싱입니다.